Ink paints are one of the most popular color products in the epoxy resin technique. Using ink paints, you can create amazing and impressive designs and effects in a resin product. Ink paints have a transparent, glassy texture and are extremely thin. All ink paints are alcohol-based and include the transparent or clear color family. Microbial paints are among the resin-compatible paints. This paint is alcohol-based or thinner-based. Microbial paint cannot move in the resin without using white paint. So after adding a few drops of microbial paint, you should also use a few drops of white paint to make the paint heavy and move. White paint is heavier than other paints because it contains titanium metal. Microbial paint is often used to create microbial designs in multi-layered and large volumes.